Alright everyone, for those of you that seen my last video asking if anybody would be interested in a LS wiring diagram point to point, I finally put this on Mastercam, the home learning edition of Mastercam, and I've been working on this, and I've still got a lot of labeling to do, but as you can see, I've got a diagram drawn up. I have to label the collars, and I'm still kind of working with trying to figure out how to put the stripes on the wiring to make all the collars correct. And then when we go to print, hopefully it'll look something like this, but on a great big sheet, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet long, and we'll roll it up and ship it out in a tube. Now, to begin with, I'm probably only going to make a few of these, 5, maybe 10 at the most. Make sure everybody likes them, and if there's any changes we need to make, then we can make them then. But as of right now, this is all the wiring you need to run an engine, and the only thing you'd have to reprogram is anti-theft. You shut off anti-theft, and while you're at it, you just shut off all the emissions equipment, but there's no other tuning involved. Unless you want to shut off like the mass airflow sensor, things like that, and run it on speed density. But these are all the external connections that you would have to figure out, which is I might try to make a separate box showing where all these wires should go. Most of this is just to a fuse going to a key on switch, or your OD2 port, your check engine light, battery positive 12 volts, things like that. There's a few things I'm going to change, but for the most part, I think it's pretty decent. Anyways, let me know what you think, and if there's any changes made, or if you see anything that needs to be changed, or if you got any questions, let me know before the weekend. I'd like to see about getting a few of these printed off. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. See ya.